We're at Dixon Farms here. Gonna be one load of Holsteins. All steers weighing approximately 885. These Holsteins are predominantly on grass, getting a few pounds of silage, a little bit of grain each day. But just some grass flesh steers. Bought us 3 and 4 weights brought in. Cattle carrying a lot of frame. There will be a few red Holsteins on this load. They're not Jerseys, they're red Holsteins. But a very, very nice set of Holsteins coming from Dixon Farms. Some more of the steers from Dixon Farms. These would be offered for sale in the November 8th max sale. A very nice set of Holsteins coming from Dixon Farms, weighing 885. They are getting 10 pounds of silage a day, plus a pound or 2 of grain. Again, there will be 2 or 3 red Holsteins on the load. Robbie, all these steers have had the same shots as before.